Good morning, my dear student. Today's thought of the day is time is the only precious element which is given equal to all. All are having the equal time to work hard, grow and achieve. I repeat the thought. Time is the only precious element which is given equal to all. All are having the equal time to work hard, grow and achieve. Children, before starting the chapter pronouns, who will give me answer? What is nouns? As you all know, naming words are called nouns. What is pronouns? Pronouns are words used in place of nouns. Children, read with me. Ram is a boy. Ram is tall. Ram has a big bag. The toys in the bag belong to Ram. I like Ram. Read again with me. Ram is a boy. He is tall. He has a big bag. The toys in the bag are his. I like him. Children, Ram is a name. A naming word is a noun. So, the word Ram is a noun. The words he, his and him stand for Ram. These words are pronouns. Pronouns are words used instead of nouns. Pronouns can be singular or plural. We use singular pronouns to talk about only one person or thing. Singular pronouns are I, you, he, she and it. Examples: I like chocolates. You look pretty. She is playing. It is heavy. We use plural pronouns when talking about more than one person or thing. We, us, they, them are plural pronouns. You is both a singular and a plural pronoun. It is used only for a thing or an animal and not for a person. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be classified in three ways. The person who speaks, first person. The person who is spoken to, second person. The person who is spoken about, third person. If the personal pronoun is the subject of the sentence, we say it is a subject pronoun. If the personal pronoun is the object of the sentence, we say it is an object pronoun. Subject pronouns go before the verb. Object pronouns go after the verb. I repeat again, children, listen carefully. If the personal pronoun is the subject of the sentence, we say it is a subject pronoun. If the personal pronoun is the object of the sentence, we say it is an object pronoun. Subject pronouns go before the verb. Object pronouns go after the verb. Children, here is a table of personal pronouns with examples. In case of singular, for first person, the gender can be either male or female. Example, I like to paint. In this sentence, I is the subject. Now, mother gave me a book. So, here me is an object. For second person, the gender can be either male or female. For example, you look tired. You is a subject here. Then I told you. You is an object. For third person, the gender can be either male or female or neuter. When the gender is male, the example given is he plays football. So he is the subject. She hasn't seen him. Him is the object. When the gender is female, the example given is she likes tea. So she is subject here. Then Smita will help her. Her is an object. For neuter gender, it is dirty. It is the subject here and they bought it, so it is an object here. In case of plural, for first person, the gender can be either male or female. Example, we are going out. Here we is subject. My brother is taking us. Us is object. For second person, the gender can again be either male or female. Example, you lost the football match. You is subject and the other team was better than you. You is an object here. Now for third person, the gender can be either male or female or neuter. Example, they are yet to arrive. They is the subject here. We are still waiting for them. Them is the object here. Possessive pronouns. The words mine, his, hers, yours, its, ours, theirs tell us that something belongs to another. They are called possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are never placed before nouns. Examples, this bag belongs to me. It is mine. This book belongs to Lata. It is hers. It is our house. It is ours. These are your pencils. They are yours. Here is a table with subject pronouns and possessive pronouns. I, mine. You, yours. He, his. She, hers. It, its. We, ours. You, yours. They, theirs. Demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. We use this for singular and these for plural, for people and things near the speaker. Example, this is my pencil. These are my pencils. We use that for singular and those for plural, for people and things that are far away. Example, that is my notebook. Those are my notebooks.